welcome back to my beauty channel. So, hari ini sesuai dengan judul di bawah ini, aku bakalan buat video tutorial untuk, ya iyalah video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my beauty channel. So, hari ini sesuai dengan judul di bawah ini, aku akan membuat beberapa model hijab menggunakan bahan ceruti kayak gini alias pasmina. Kalau kalian ikutin Instagram aku atau kalian followers aku di Instagram, kalian pasti tahu aku suka banget sama bahan jilbab yang kayak gini. So langsung banyak banget yang nge-DM aku minta dibuatkan, "Kak, tutorialnya dong, gimana sih pakai jilbabnya, modelnya gimana sih, bla 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 segala macam." So aku memutuskan hari ini untuk membuat tutorial itu. Yeay. Dan untuk tutorial ini bagus banget untuk mungkin kalian kalau mau hangout, terus mau party, mungkin mau graduation atau bahkan wedding juga bisa loh. Karena semua yang akan aku share ke kalian ini juga banyaknya ala-ala ke Malaysia gitu. So gak usah lama-lama, tapi sebelum kalian nonton video ini, jangan lupa untuk di subscribe, kemudian komen dan like, dan jangan lupa juga untuk share ke seluruh sosial media yang kalian punya. Dan buat kalian yang belum temenan sama aku di Instagram, so let's be friends on Instagram, aku bakalan letakin linknya di bawah ini. Jadi gak usah lama-lama, let's check it out.
I'm hurting, babe. I'm broken down. I need your loving, I'm needing now. When I'm without you, I'm something weak. You got me begging, I'm on my knees. I don't wanna be needing your love, I just wanna be deep in your love. And it's killing me when you're away. Ooh, baby, 'cause I really don't care where you are. I just wanna be there where you are. And I gotta get one little taste. Sugar, yes please. Won't you come and put it down on me? Right here, 'cause I need little love and little sympathy. Yeah, you show me good loving, make it alright. Need a little sweetness in my life. Sugar, yes please. Won't you come and put it down on me? My broken pieces, you put them up. Don't leave me hanging, come give me some. When I'm without you, so insecure. You are the one thing I'm living for. I don't wanna be needing your love, I just wanna be deep in your love. And it's killing me when you're away. Ooh, baby, 'cause I really don't care where you are. I just wanna be there where you are. And I gotta get one little taste. Sugar, yes please. Won't you come and put it down on me? Right here, 'cause I need little love and little sympathy. Yeah, you show me good loving, make it alright. Need a little sweetness in my life. Sugar, yes please. Won't you come and
overzealous. When I'm down, I get real down. When I'm high, I don't come down. I get angry, baby, believe me. I could love you just like that, and I could leave just as fast. But you don't judge me, 'cause if you did, baby, I'll judge you too. No, you don't judge me. If you did, baby, I'll judge you too. 'Cause I got issues, but you've got them too. So give them all to me and I'll give mine to you. Bask in the glory of all our problems, 'cause we got the kind of love it takes us all. Yeah, I got issues, I'm putting them aside bad, I need you. Putting them aside bad, I need you. 'Cause I got issues, you do shit on purpose. You get mad and you break things. Feel bad trying to fix things, but you're perfect. Poorly white circuit. You got hands like an ocean. Push you out, pull you back in. 'Cause you don't judge me. If you did, baby, I would judge you too. Yeah. No, you don't judge me, 'cause you see it from the same point of view. 'Cause I got issues, but you've got them too. So give them all to me and I'll give mine to you. Bask in the glory of all our problems, 'cause we got the kind of love it takes us all. Yeah, I got issues, I'm putting them aside bad, I need you. Putting them aside bad, I need you. Issues, 'cause I got issues. I'm jealous, I'm overzealous. When I'm down, I get real down. When I'm high, I don't come down. I get angry, baby, believe me. I could love you just like that, and I could leave just as fast. But you don't judge me, 'cause if you did, baby, I'll judge you too. No, you don't judge me. If you did, baby, I'll judge you too. 'Cause I got issues, but you've got them too. So give them all to me and I'll give mine to you. Bask in the glory of all our problems, 'cause we got the kind of love it takes us all. Yeah, I got issues, I'm putting them aside bad, I need you. Putting them aside bad, I need you. 'Cause I got issues, you do shit on purpose. You get mad and you break things. Feel bad trying to fix things, but you're perfect. Poorly white circuit. You got hands like an ocean. Push you out, pull you back in. 'Cause you don't judge me. If you did, baby, I would judge you too. Yeah. No, you don't judge me, 'cause you see it from the same point of view. 'Cause I got issues, but you've got them too. So give them all to me.
Oke, jadi itu tutorialnya. Semoga kalian suka sama videonya. Dan jangan lupa untuk subscribe, like, and share video ini ke seluruh sosial media yang kalian punya. Dan jangan lupa juga let's be friends on Instagram. Aku bakalan kasih linknya di bawah ini. So, jangan lupa juga komen-komen kalian mau aku buatin video apa lagi untuk nextnya. So, itu aja. Sampai ketemu di video selanjutnya. Bye-bye.
'Cause if you did, baby, I'll judge you too. No, you don't judge me. If you did, baby, I'll judge you too. 'Cause I got issues, You've gotten to, so give them all to me.